Check out Norfolk Southern. They're going to pay $600 million to settle lawsuits stemming from that toxic train derailment in Ohio early last year. So they're going to pay the $600 million. This settles the train derailment, spilled all these toxic chemicals. Julie, remember, company saying the settlement resolves all class action claims, emphasizes this is not an admission of liability. Judge, it sounds like, does still have to give final approval to the deal. Obviously doesn't, they'll resolve the DOJ suit, accusing the company of violating the Clean Water Act. The state of Ohio has also sued Norfolk, but at least one headline today. You did see shares get a lift on it.
Yeah, and by the way, the company also came out with preliminary earnings alongside the announcement of this settlement, and those earnings looked like they were a little bit below what analysts had been anticipated. Profit 23 cents a share, railway revenue of $3 billion. If you exclude the costs of the settlement, it looks like earnings were $2.26 a share. So, that might be limiting otherwise what might be some gains in the shares. The full earnings, by the way, are due later this month. I'm seeing a preliminary date of about April 24th. The stock, if you look at it, how it's done over the longer term, and how it has done since the accident first happened here, that goes back to February 3rd, 2023, you can see the shares have kind of come full circle back to where they were. They're just about flat over the past year.
And by the way, the company also says to expect as much as $100 million impact on revenue due to port disruptions related to the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore as well.